Alright, so guess what? Zepp Health is dropping 4 new wearables this month, and one in particular is grabbing attention. The Amazfit Active 2 Square. That name probably rings a bell if you've been following the whole Active 2 round situation. People were already wondering if a Square version was coming, and here we are. So this is what we know. The Active 2 Square briefly popped up on a Zepp security site, and then leaked images and specs started showing up at places like Walmart in the US and Celcom over in Mexico. Gotta love retailers who jump the gun. Now design-wise, it's giving off that modern and classy combo. Square face, stainless steel bezel, polymer frame in the middle. It's rocking a 1.75-inch AMOLED display, bigger than its round sibling, with a crisp 390 by 450 resolution. Oh, and that display is topped with sapphire crystal glass. Not your average smartwatch screen. It even comes with 2 straps, one leather for a more dressed up look and one silicone for workouts or sweaty summer days. The whole thing is pretty compact too, about 43 by 37 millimeter, just 9 millimeter thick, and weighs around 31 grams. So yeah, not bulky at all. Under the hood, it's said to have the same BioTracker 6 PPG sensor that's on the round version, plus over 160 sports modes and Zepp's pulse precision heart rate tracking tech. There's also a 260 milliamp hour battery that, according to the listing, can last up to 5 days, even if you're using it heavily. Not bad, right? We're expecting GPS, offline maps, and of course, full syncing with the Zepp app so you can keep track of your workouts, sleep, stress, all that good stuff. One big question though, will there be NFC for contactless payments? Maybe. Yeah, but it could be region specific. Also unclear whether this is the only version we're getting or if there's a standard model on the way too. Launch is expected sometime later this June, but the exact date and global pricing still under wraps. That said, the round Amazfit Active 2 Premium launched at $130, so it's a safe bet we'll see something close to that. Honestly, if you've been waiting for a stylish square smartwatch with some muscle behind it, this might be the one to watch. More details soon. Until then, peace.